The National Commission for Backward Classes, NCBC, was established, in part, as a consequence of the landmark 1992 Supreme Court case, Indira Sawhney vs. Union of India, often referred to as the Mandal case. This case dealt with the implementation of the Mandal Commission's recommendations for reservations for other backward classes, OBCs, in government jobs and educational institutions. The Supreme Court, while upholding the principle of caste-based reservations, also introduced the concept of the creamy layer, excluding the more affluent members of OBCs from reservation benefits. The court also recommended the formation of a statutory body to oversee the identification and inclusion of backward classes. Here's a more detailed breakdown. 1. Mandal Commission. In 1979, the Indian government formed the Mandal Commission to identify socially and educationally backward classes, SEBCs. The commission identified 3,743 castes as OBCs and recommended a 27% reservation for them in public sector jobs. 2. Indira Sawhney case. The Mandal Commission's recommendations were challenged in court, leading to the Indira Sawhney case. 3. Key judgments of the Mandal case. The Supreme Court upheld the principle of using caste as a criterion for identifying backward classes. It introduced the concept of the creamy layer, excluding the most affluent members of OBCs from reservation benefits. A 50% cap on total reservations was established. Reservations and promotions were declared unconstitutional, with the exception of initial appointments. 1. Formation of NCBC. The Supreme Court's judgment in the Indira Sawhney case also recommended the creation of a permanent statutory body to oversee the identification and inclusion of backward classes. This led to the establishment of the National Commission for Backward Classes, NCBC, as a statutory body in 1993. 2. NCBC's role. The NCBC was initially established as a statutory body under the National Commission for Backward Classes Act of 1993. In 2018, it was granted constitutional status through the 102nd Constitutional Amendment. The NCBC is responsible for advising the government on matters related to the welfare and development of OBCs, monitoring their progress, and examining complaints of injustice against them. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and comment.